So, you want to make money online in 2025? But let's be real. Things have changed. Years ago, you could start a Shopify store, offer freelancing services, or even try trading and expect decent results. But now, it's not that easy anymore. Dropshipping, oversaturated. Ad costs are too high. Freelancing, too much competition. Fiverr and Upwork are flooded. Trading, you need a deep understanding, and let's be honest. Most people just lose money. Even content creation, which was once an open goldmine, now requires something different to succeed. The truth is, the online money-making world has changed, and if you don't adapt, you won't make a single dollar. But here's the good news. There's still a way to win. Stay with me because I'm about to share the one thing that can set you apart and actually help you make money online in 2025. The one concept you must understand, EAT. If you've been struggling to make money online, it's probably because you don't understand EAT. EAT stands for expertise, authority, and trust. This is the key factor that Google, YouTube, and even potential clients look for before they trust you. Expertise. Do you actually know what you're talking about? Authority. Do people recognize you as a credible source? Trust. Can people rely on your content, product, or service? Whether you want to start an online business, become a content creator, or get freelance clients, EAT is the game changer. Here's how it applies to different money-making methods. 1. E-commerce, no more generic dropshipping. Forget about selling random AliExpress products. That strategy is dying. Instead, build a brand. Sell products in a niche where you actually have knowledge or passion. Use content, short-form videos, blogs, to build trust around your store. Provide real value before pushing sales. Successful e-commerce in 2025 is not about throwing up an ad and hoping people buy. It's about building a real business with EAT. 2. Content creation, no more copy-pasting trends. In 2018, you could start a faceless YouTube channel or repost TikTok videos and make money. Now, it's all about uniqueness. AI content won't help unless you add personal experience. Generic motivational videos? Dead. Everyone is doing them. The best way? Build a personal brand where people trust your insights. Ask yourself, what do I know that others don't? What perspective can I bring? That's how you win in 2025. 3. Freelancing, forget Fiverr and Upwork. Everyone is on Fiverr. That means you'll be competing with thousands of others, fighting for the lowest price. The real way to win. Stop waiting for clients. Go to them. Find businesses that need help but don't even know it yet. Show them how you can improve their marketing, content, or operations. Position yourself as an expert, not just a freelancer. Most freelancers beg for clients. The smart ones become problem solvers and charge premium rates. How to succeed in 2025. Be different. Money-making online is no longer about just starting something and hoping it works. It's about EAT, expertise, authority, and trust. Pick a field where you can actually build expertise. Show authority through content, case studies, and proof. Earn trust by delivering real value before selling. If you follow this approach, you'll stand out in a world full of noise. Now, here's the deal. I've put together a free resource that goes deeper into the strategy, so check the description to get access. And let me know in the comments. What's your biggest struggle with making money online? Let's talk. See you in the next one.